Welcome to GM Motorsport and another edition of In the Workshop. Today we're going to be going over the Ripshift auto shifter. So most people know the Ripshift from fitment to manual vehicles, Holden and Ford from about 2001 to current versions or current models. The Ripshift's also been involved in racing such as V8 utes, a number of other categories. A lot of guys with drifting cars, burnout vehicles, and just old school drag type racing vehicles. The Ripshift Auto sort of came about because the manual guys are obviously having the Ripshifts out there and being able to utilise those. The auto guys, well, that have their vehicles upgraded, say, shift kits and build autos, etc. But internally, from the top, you still just had your standard shifter knob, and it looked pretty basic. So people want to have, I guess, something that's a little bit more unique and something that sort of shows off their car a little bit more and about the works that they've done. When you come in a little bit closer here, you can see that the Ripshifts are all designed in-house and put together by us and CNC'd internally. So that's the centre, and these are left and right wings that we have out of the vehicle. The great thing about the Ripshift and what we're going to do, we've got a customs car here, we're going to fit it. So we've got, in the box, comes obviously the instructions, but they also come with the tools that's required. There's a couple of small Allen keys that most people probably won't have. And the only other thing you need is a small flat screwdriver and one small Phillips head screwdriver. So I'll grab this Ripshift now and swing around, meet me in the car, and we'll organise to fit it. Okay, so this particular customer's car, it's a Caprice. So to remove the standard shifter, make sure the vehicle's in park, organise to pull the shifter all the way back, so that way you can organise to gain access to the front, which you will need to do. I'll just move a little bit forward here. So just using the flat screwdriver, if you swing around, you'll be able to organise to see. We just organised to put that into the top of the shifter there and just simply work it out. And it clips out simply like that. Put that out of the way. The next thing that we will organise to need is just the screwdriver. Again, if you can get in here, there's a small, Phillips head screw. A little bit fiddly to get into, but... and we organise to undo that. Once that's undone, the backing plate just comes away. We'll just sit that out of the way for the time being. If we come around to the back of the shifter, we grab our small flat screwdriver again, and inside there's a little clip just under there. Get that in behind and take that out. You will need to hold on to that. We will reuse this. I'll just sit that in here. And then this organises just to slide off like so, so I'll take that out of the way. Okay, I'll just organise to grab those Allen keys, which I've left on the bench. So what I've done to make the process just a little bit quicker, just for the video today, I've organised to already take out some of the screws. So the screws for them I've already got in here. So that's, you can see the screws here, here and here. So we take off the wing plates, left and right, set them up there out of the way. Same with the other one. And then we've got a couple of grub screws on either side. Make sure that these grub screws, if you do happen to take them out, you put them back into the bottom, and they're on either side. We then simply slide the shifter. Oh, sorry, I do apologise, I missed a step here. We've got to organise to put the clip. So this particular clip just sits in like so. There's a little gap. As you can see that it's just sitting inside the little gap, and you can see from the other side, you can see where it sits. Then we organise to slide the shifter back up over the top. It can be a little bit fiddly and a little bit tricky, but if you hold it from this side, it goes on not too bad. And you've got to organise to continue to push the shifter down until you get that click. There we go, done. Now that we've got that in, the next thing we do is we organise to do up the grub screws. So do those up nice and tight, nice and firm. Again, pretty straightforward. And there's one on the opposite side as well too. I'll quickly do that one up. Perfect. And now we organise to put on the wings. The wings can only go left and right, obviously because you've got the handle grips in that side and that side. Like so. Get my Allen key. Tighten that one up. One on the bottom. And also tighten it up. So you already see from the standard shifter, it's a far better look. And that side there. And organise to do that up. And we're done. Complete. Ready to go. So guys, that's about how quick and easy you can organise to fit the new Ripshift auto handle. It is available in our online store. You can jump onto gmmotorsport.com.au. If you've got any questions, you can ask them through there, or simply organise to contact us on our email page, or contact GM Motorsport on 039746 6656. Hope you've enjoyed today's episodes and look forward to showing you some more upgraded items that we've got in store from GM Motorsport, Ripshift and Ramjet. Thanks guys and have a great day.